let's say the first level of truth is you, Frank, come. So this first level of, bow down so that they see you. This first level of truth is, we are using levels of truth, right? I am one person. You are one person. Before I could go to the third level of truth, this is the first level of truth. I did the second level of truth. So before I could get to the third level of truth, which is the lady there, which is the lady over there, she's far from me. I shouldn't touch her at all. Before I get to her, I must first of all deal with myself. What is the first level of truth? The first level of truth is speaking to myself the truth about myself. No human being exists now. No neighbor, no family members, no countrymen, just me and truth. I must allow the truth to deal with me properly. Once the truth has dealt with me and I've been transparent with the truth and I've become unified with the truth, spoken to myself the truth about myself. Once I've overcome that stage of truth, then I allow the second stage of truth to come, which is speaking the truth again to myself about whatsoever any other person does. So let's say he's doing good or he's doing bad or is whatsoever any human being is doing. First of all, I must allow that action to make me better. I must speak the truth to myself in regards to whatsoever that person is doing. Even if the person is worse than me, I must still learn the truth from that person's behavior. I must learn how to be better or how to be able to make the world better or to make the other person better. I must speak the truth to myself about whatsoever he is doing. Whatsoever he is doing should push me to the truth. Whatsoever he is doing should make me to face the truth, to speak the truth to myself, and to expose myself to a higher level of truth. I am not using whatever he is doing to condemn him. I'm not using the truth about what he is doing to judge him. It's not about him at all. I'm not seeing the second person or the third person at all. I'm seeing the second person only to better me, to make me better, to make the truth work more on me. So after I've done that, first level, I speak the truth about myself to myself. Second level, I speak the truth about another person. Whatsoever another person is doing, I speak the truth about that whole situation with that person to myself. Only after I have finished that one, then I could go to the other. I have to do third level too. With the third level is still about me. I now project myself, the truth about myself. All this third level is all about me. I project the truth about myself now to the world in general or to another person, to all of them. And I say, this is who I am. And it has to be the truth. I am revealing who I am. I am projecting the truth. I am transparent enough about myself because I've passed through the 2nd level of the truth working, purifying me, working on me, making me better. Only after that I've been able to live such a transparent life that I've been able to live in the truth and walk in the truth. I'm sure I walk in the truth. Then I project the truth, which means I might not be perfect. This is not talking about perfection. This is not even talking about holiness. But this is talking about living in the truth. I live in the truth with myself. I live in the truth. I allow the truth in regards to other people. And I project a life of truth. I don't live a double life, and I'm not playing games, and I'm not deceiving anybody. Even if I'm not perfect, I come out and say I'm not perfect. Even if I'm a sinner, I come out and say I'm a sinner. Even if, I have fault, I say I have fault. Even if I have challenges, I say I have challenges. That truth, when I've gotten to that level of living in the truth and projecting the truth to the world, then I get to the 4th level.